Hello everyone, welcome to the series of videos. In this video particular, we're going to talk about types of traffic on the web. There are mainly considered two types of traffic on the web: organic traffic and paid traffic. Organic traffic happens every day. Every single day you want to post something, video, photo, or anything on the web, on Instagram. That is organic traffic. That's gonna be delivered to your followers or to your subscribers only. And paid traffic is something different. You're gonna pay giants like Google, Facebook, Instagram to make wider your audience, to make targeted audience. And that's called the paid traffic. If you are using paid traffic as well as organic traffic, then you are well done. If you are using only one of them, that's not good. You need to think about from today.